In this lesson, we're going to work on creating our sprint board. So from our backlog, I have added a few more projects for us to work with a little later on, but now we need to create another board for us to work on active sprints. To do this, we're going to head back to our settings area, to statuses. We're going to create a few more idea statuses. So I'm first going to talk about how to create a sprint board using the ideas area of CoSchedule. This is going to be for sprints that do not have projects with active scheduled published dates. If you want to use published dates, meaning you want to pick a date that a project will be completed and then work backwards from that date, that is going to be done using calendar statuses. But since our sprint board is not going to be attached to a completion date, we're going to use idea statuses. So I'll walk you through that. Let's create a few statuses for our sprints. We're going to create a create stage, a review stage, test, which is commonly part of the Agile framework, and a to schedule. This is going to be a stage that we'll use before we add things to the calendar. Okay, much like we did with our backlog, we're now going to head back to our ideas area, and we're going to create another save view. And this time we're going to call it sprints. We're going to share it with our team. We're going to filter by status according to the ones that we just created. So to do, create, review, test, and to schedule are all going to be included. And we're going to sort this by status. Okay. So we have our sprints board. To do, create, review, test, and then to schedule. If we go to our backlog, we can see all of the projects that I have in my backlog. We're going to take this major video project and we're going to put it in our to-do column. We'll put this one there as well. And that to-do column is essentially the column that we're going to use to pass projects from our backlog to our sprints board. So once they're in the to-do column, it means that I'm ready to put them into an active sprint. And that is going to start at the create step. And we're going to take this major video project that we have assigned to Gary Designer on our team, and we're going to look at how to take this entire project through a sprint and then into a retrospective. So that's going to be what we're going to cover in our next video.